So yeah, we're working on Jason's money spot.
The famous money spot.
Yeah. Trademarked it in 2001.
Yep.
So if you try and do this without permission, we'll come after you. G'day guys, it's Ninja and we've got Jace.
Hello.
The body is back.
We're back. What have we got today, Ninja?
We're going to reveal what we're going to do. We're going to do a bit of lower back work.
How
we're going to do some work on Jason's sacrum and the world famous money spot, lower back money spot that we have created. So I'm going to give you a bit of a glimpse inside what we do when we're treating chronic lower back pain. So we won't reveal everything because you've got to do our course to get all our secrets, our method and philosophies and why we do what we do and kind of how we put it all together. We reveal that all in our courses. So we're coming off the back of a 5-day workshop we did in Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. So the in-person stuff is where you really get to experience everything because you watch it, you feel it, and you do it. And what we like about that kind of process is you're a connoisseur and you're a master, or you're becoming a master of this work. So you kind of get to know all the little nuances from other people that are like-minded and want to tune into the sensations and how it feels and all the nuances of this work. Because even when you kind of just watching this, it doesn't fully represents what is fully going on. So even if I just change an angle like that, Jace would be, if you're experiencing something totally different to what you're experiencing there, just watching it. Because like you would think that would be nothing, and this would feel like nothing, just me holding onto this here. But when you actually experience it, it's a whole different ball game. So so we encourage people that are interested in healing, helping people heal chronic pain and working with injuries and dysfunction and things like that. Bodywork, holistic bodywork, I should say, is a way that you can really get to the bottom of things, go deeper, because it's not just about the physical body. We also kind of can help people that are stuck in other areas of life as well. And the body is the ground floor, so plumbing the body can help people get impetus in other areas of life.
Impetus?
You like that word?
Where'd that come from, Ninj?
Just go towards what you want to do.
Oh, that's good. I like that.
You want to be, just to pull a little DeMartini line,
yeah.
You want to be the master of your destiny rather than victim of your history. And like when you've got scars and wounds and blocks and pain and different things like that, we really want to help people with pain. So we want to help them heal that pain on a physical level, and then it helps them go out and address some other, so it might be traumas or quests they want to go on with their life, with their business, with their family, with their relationships and things like that. So you can better do that when you're not suffering from the physical pain. So it's a big part of what we do. We want to find out people's why, and then we can help them go on their quests. So,
oh, that's good.
Different?
Yeah. Feels good.
Yeah.
So I guess that's a part that we don't always intend on, but there's such a big part of the personal development level in the 5-day workshop. Like a lot of people think they're coming just for the professional side and improving their treatment skills, but it ends up just going to that deeper level where they're unveiling and clearing some deeper blocks that they might have had on a more personal level. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
In a group that come together and they're complete strangers a lot of the time, and then by 3rd, 4th, 5th day they're created this deep connection and they're sharing things that they might not have even shared with close friends and family members before. So it's pretty cool to be a part of something that can help people not only improve their treatment side of things, but clear some deeper blocks and in such a short amount of time, which is what can happen in a treatment session as well.
Yeah. So don't be attached to outcomes and things like that as well. But it can happen, and But yeah, most of the workshop, the content is bodywork, isn't
Yeah.
it? So it is really heavily focused on the bodywork and how to be a better bodyworker, how to be more effective and things like that, how to communicate with people, just everything bodywork. But yeah, we do throw in other things that do complement, being a better bodyworker as well, like breath work and movement, strength work and stability kind of stuff, with isometric training. With mindfulness, with breath work and meditation as well. So we kind of cover a lot of stuff and like on the Gold Coast, we got to go in nature as well because the beach was there.
Yeah.
We had the sea air in our nostrils all day. So, but yeah, going on the beach, getting in the sun, yeah, that was some of the best bits, wasn't it?
Just a good way to start the day, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we went out before the workshops each day, didn't we? And
went for a swim every day, didn't we, in the morning?
Yeah.
A couple of days we were up at 5, or most days we were up at 5, weren't we, to go for a quick swim and go to a cafe, get a quick coffee before we got back and showered and get ready for the day.
Yeah.
Lug all the towels to the to the venue in the little stripy bags that I'm sure everyone's experienced if you've moved house before.
Yeah.
The old bag struggled to make it back home, though, didn't it? We had some trouble with it.
Yeah, it's on the tip now. Come back a bit worse for wear, didn't it? But it did its job.
Got us there.
$5. It was
just got us there and back.
Yeah. But yeah, we built some muscle lugging it around, didn't we, Jace? You were the main man. I had a few goes, but yeah, you were the main workhorse there.
Well, I didn't have as good a routine in terms of going to the gym and things when we were up there, so that was my little workout for the day, was carrying that bag around.
Yeah. We did a few little 10-to-1s on the beach, didn't we? Like we did squats and push-ups.
Yeah.
No equipment necessary.
Just a quick I think it was about 4-minute workout, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't take too long to get through 55 push-ups and squats, which is pretty cool to know that you can just bang out a 4-minute workout and still get a pretty good burn out of it.
Get that work in. Yeah. So yeah, we're working on Jason's money spot.
The famous money spot.
Yeah. Trademarked it in 2001.
Yep.
So if you try and do this without permission, we'll come after you.
So you have actually trademarked the old money spot, have you?
Oh, nah.
Nah?
But I think we've been advised we should.
We have.
We've done it, so don't try and plagiarise us. So, yeah. No, it's better if we can teach you all the nuances of this work. You'll be better equipped to deliver it to your people. So,
how's mine feeling, Ninja? Mine's famously a bit tricky to get, but
it's going okay.
You're doing pretty well in there.
Yeah. So I'm happy. Because usually it'd be a bit wobbly,
bit of a tightrope, yeah.
Yeah. So you can slip off pretty easily, and I suppose that's another kind of real key point. We try to teach people how to adapt to different bodies. So how do we kind of hit these different spots on people that are different shapes and sizes, and the skeleton is different shapes beneath the skin as well. So it's sort of like some people have got littler gaps, bigger gaps, wider hips, higher hips.
It's like Aaron, his pelvis comes all the way up here, it feels like when you're treating it.
Gap between his ribs, so you can't get your elbow in there, you got to get your little pinky in between his ribs.
The old long leg, short torso.
Yeah. So it's adaptation, and we make it work. Yeah, the most important thing is people heal from our impetus, and that's what makes us tick. We love that. It's just meaningful for us when people can go out and do what they want to do in life, not held back by the pain. Yeah. Anyway, I might pull the wickets out, mate.
Pull the wickets out.
Pull up stumps for the day. I think it's
done.
What the test match gets to 6 o'clock.
Yeah, done.
Gets to 6 o'clock and we take the bales off.
Yep.
And
call it a day.
Call it a day.
Go in and have some dinner.
Oh, you need a relief when I come out. So I'll close up this shop.
Thank you.
All right. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.
Done.